Spoiler alert, if you're on my holiday shopping list, you're getting a book from me. It's not because I'm lazy. Okay, it's not only because I'm lazy, but because I really believe a book is the best gift you can give. For your grandfather, who somehow gets grumpier every single year. For the people in your life still living under the creeping shadow of death, Bill Richardson's The First Little Bastard to Call Me Gramps, an amusing collection of illustrated poems covering everything from nursing homes to going gray. It'll have you laughing all the way to the grave. For your mother-in-law, who thinks she's a fantastic cook, but you don't have the heart to tell her she's not. Ruth Reichl was the editor-in-chief of Gourmet magazine. My Kitchen Year, which is part cookbook and part memoir, chronicles how falling in love with cooking all over again helped Reichl through one of the most difficult periods of her life. The easy-to-follow and beautifully photographed book contains 136 recipes. It'll hopefully make the next family dinner a bit tastier. For your coworker who thinks he knows everything but is, in fact, an idiot. The goal of Randall Munroe's fascinating new book, Thing Explainer, is to, as the title suggests, explain things. Using only 1,000 of the English language's most commonly used words, Randall has crafted a series of annotated blueprints, detailing everything from a hand computer, smartphone, to boxes that make your clothes smell better, think washer and dryer. This isn't just a book, but an education. For your dog-obsessed friend. I have a cat, but I love dogs too. So does Myra Coleman, the renowned author, illustrator, and designer. Her latest book, Beloved Dog, is a lavishly illustrated tribute to the canines who have shaped her life. As she writes, dogs are the dearest, funniest, lovingest, loyalest friend you ever had.